this day of 63rd anniversary of anti-China uprisal of Tibet. In several hours will be raised the Tibetan flag at hundreds of city halls around the Czech Republic. It will be placed also in front of buildings of the Czech Parliament, both lower and upper house. Our message is very simple. We came from Czech Republic to deliver and express our support to Free Tibet. The explanation is very simple. We have gone through very similar historical developments. That Dalai Lama is kept apart because of COVID infection and possible disease. So this was a great surprise for us, and we were simply lucky because to meet such a personality with such a deep human feeling, such deep philosopher understanding the world and the human destiny. So we were very impressed and really touched. I still feel this in my heart, and I will remember that for the rest of my life.